Happy Sunday, everybody. Oh shit, it's not Sunday. It's Saturday. So even better, Saturday and Sunday. Tinsan kendo sangma taring heli chinang de wherever you. Matari kejechik dilai. Kasi ngi kejeshi the last time you video so dingi lai lai doya but kendo kita koyo na menang how much stitching dilai. Kasi pagila Instagram la page chik duraya udi ngi page mare pagi Tibetan tip_big boss sesha pagi dingi page mare kenzo follow machino chi pagi dila excuse me pagi dila follow machino chi ane ngi page Instagram page nga share the active me but Nimani private re ani ngarang aji pinja do da family dang friends close friends ani ngara page nawa do you do chokpo ngi follow chi the page was private but tangi recently ngi page the public so kajana if anybody wants to follow me you guys can follow me there one day like Samsung ani shemba the page the sui the how much but I don't know just randomly search I did talk about Big Boss like Big Boss entertainment that's how I started YouTube but statistic mangbushadida so ani dichini Big Boss kaji keje mangbu share amasu ani keje chik dilai kaza Air India namdu kasa Ahmedabad re chikla namdu ya phiro chidigo so ani masani hot hostel regi medical lapta kaji hostel do chikla sani bula mi gada dunju sastu mi pura shisha mi pura crash chani tongdu mi chikran chik tarsh puchik tarsh ninje wundi tarsh shemba sangma tongsha tatanda di namdu le yedu da mi pura tongsar lasraya but that namju kesa jiyora saja jiyora odi bole mi khazo kharista de lunch sa de gire khashi study chi de gire khashi nye de gire I don't know tanda ben konzo count chi gorlas ta khazo ta last la khazo chungdo tanda ming digas number le mare so that's why what I think is that life is unpredictable okay sanyi khari chai re di suchi hagu mare so do what you want to do today live like it's your last day. Want to do something, go do it. Want to go after your dreams, go do that. You're in love with somebody, you want to tell him, go do that. And if he said no, just be like, okay, that's fine. He's not meant to be for me, and move on to the next. Just remember that life is happening for you, not to you. So whatever happens, take it in, feel it, and be like, things doesn't work out. Maybe it's not meant for me. People leave. Maybe it was never meant for me. Bye. Whatever is yours will come to you, and whatever is meant for you will never leave you. That's what I'm saying. I live like that. I've changed my mindset a little bit here and there. I go with the flow. If people comes into my life, I like a guy, he likes me. We like each other, and maybe then he stops liking me, and then he says, things are not working out, blah blah blah. Then I will say, okay, I guess you're not the lucky guy. You're lost. Then I move on. That's how you should be. Things doesn't work out. Destiny is already done. When you gonna die? Who you gonna meet? Who you gonna get married to? Everything is written already, okay? So don't worry too much about life, making money, this, that. Enjoy your life. Be yourself. Be authentic. Be authentically. Be authentic. Be real you, okay? You don't have to be someone to please other people. You don't need to please nobody. Just be yourself. You don't like certain people, don't hang out with them. You don't like to talk, you don't want to do something, don't do it. You want to do something, do that. So that's how I live my life, and I encourage all of you to do the same thing. Okay, the main people in your life is your family. That family is your everything. Okay, family karena katuna kudukjashana family deire kyo yakpochana kyo family la help share. Family will never leave you. Friendship, you never know. I have my best friends. Hopefully they won't leave me if anything ever happens, but so far they haven't done that, and I do trust my friends being in my life forever. But me some life, you know, people have come and go, you know. Don't give them too much importance. When they come around, okay, I got to meet this person, okay, she's a cool person, but you know, don't expect too much. It's just like, you know, as a friend, you hang out, and one day they want to leave, you can be like, yeah, go ahead, it's okay. I don't expect anything from people. See, when you have no expectations from other people, you don't get your heart broken. So just like that, live your life. Nobody knows when you're gonna go, and once you are gone, nobody's gonna remember you, and everybody's gonna move on after that. So yeah, stop giving importance to people. You should be your only first priority. If you don't have a kid, if you have a kid should be number one priority. Okay, kid mena. Don't give your boyfriend first priority. Husband, boyfriend, leave them. Like, you know, they come after you. You are number one. Okay, so to all my ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys got my point. Live for today. Live for today. Present. Say what you want to say. Do what you want to do. Be with whoever you be with. Okay, and tomorrow you never know what's gonna happen. Life is unpredictable. So best of luck, and yeah, rest in peace to all those people and their family. My condolences are with them. Okay.